Hey everybody, back with a quick update about the car dealership campaign. So we were able to get 20 leads over the weekend for what the budget was. 6 appointments. We had 10 people that called in, but we got one person who bought something. So those are pretty good stats, I think. And so what we have here is that the last one, Monica, was actually the one who bought something. But the cool part was she actually bought her daughter in. So I don't think they were able to get her daughter anything for her price range, but Monica actually bought something. And we spent a little over $500, about $555 on this. And actually, I want to talk to you all about something when it comes to Facebook ads, which is sometimes you can be too aggressive. So a guy like myself, sometimes I'll put together these audiences and I just feel like a certain audience should just crack. It should just work, right? And so I just won't give up. And so we really, instead of spending 555, we really could have got all of these leads for less than 430 bucks. But that's okay, because as time goes on, we can cut off those losers, and so we can start getting leads for a lower cost. So next time we get 20 leads, we can only spend like 390 bucks or maybe 350 and still get a bunch of people in. And that would actually be pretty awesome to have an overall cost per acquisition of $350. Now, when the leads set an appointment, that's up to the closers to close, right, or the people to qualify. But you gotta admit it's pretty cool to be able to get people to get off their couch, into their car, into a dealership, to talk to a salesperson, to apply for financing, to look at a car, to test drive a car, and to drive off the lot with that car. So this was my first time doing car dealership leads, and so they are really happy. So hope y'all are having a great day. Just wanted to update you on the campaign, let you see how it went. I'll talk to y'all later.